and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn to make basket from newspaper, and this is the part 1 of the video. In part 2 of the video I'll show you how I'm going to use this basket for home decor. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and do hit notification bell icon so that you get notified. So the first step is to make paper tubes and then press it roll it around a round object to get a circle and secure it at place with Fevicol. Hence, we'll obtain a paper ring. It is not important to make all the paper rings of equal size. You can make paper rings of different sizes as well. Now we require a bowl and a hard cardboard. A bowl will help us to gain the shape of the basket, and a hard cardboard will be the base of the basket. I am using hot glue gun to stick paper rings with the hard cardboard that is the base of the basket.
To call back, I missed your
I am using acrylic colors in brown shade to paint this basket. You can leave it like this if you want. So this completes my video. I really hope that you're going to like it. Do like and share my videos, and do try this. And if you do share pictures with me on my Instagram account or on my email ID. Link will be in the description box. So don't forget to check description. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel.